What is going on? My name is AlTone, and this is the DEERC D60 budget beginner drone. The D60 is a true budget beginner drone. This little drone is pretty light. It's less than 249 grams, so you don't have to worry about registering it in the US. What comes in the box, of course, is the D60 itself. A new transmitter design that we haven't seen, or at least I haven't seen from DEERC as of yet. One battery, 2 sets of spare props, a USB charging cable, a screwdriver, and an instruction manual. And as I always say, with any drone, make sure that you become very familiar with the instruction manual before you go out to fly. Now the drone itself, in the front, it has your HD camera, which the camera angle can be adjusted from the remote. In the rear, you also have your power button, which is the status indicator LED, and your rear battery compartment. And your transmitter itself comes with this nice little cover that tells you where everything is on the transmitter, which I think is fantastic. So on the top, you have your antennas and your phone holder, your left and right control sticks, your power switch, your power LED indicators, your headless / gyro calibration button, your rotation / trim button, your 1-key takeoff and landing and emergency stop button, your camera angle adjustment wheel, photo and video button, your speed and circle fly button, and your battery compartment, which requires 2 AA batteries, which are not included. Some of the quick specifications of this awesome little drone are that it weighs 166 grams, which of course is less than 249. You have your HD camera that shoots photo in 1920 by 1080 and video in 1280 by 720. Your flight time is estimated at 22 minutes, and your battery charge time is about 2.7 hours. So this is truly a nice budget beginner drone. It's durable and can take some abuse, which is another one of those things that I love about the DEERC drones. And it's a great investment toward you getting better at flying before you spend money on much more expensive drones in the future. So I hope that you enjoy your DEERC D60 as much as I've enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for stopping by. I look forward to talking to you again in another video.